So, hi there. A very good evening. This is me, Jasleen Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor and Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And the weather is amazing. You know, it's pouring in Delhi NCR, and it's just like a hill station and stuff. And you want to do a few things besides work, like taking a walk or enjoying the weather and the beverages and the city adventure and stuff like that, lest you get stuck in the traffic and stuff. But there's another side to this. I was taking a look at a video of a street protest. I didn't know this. I just took notice of this. So I'm going to dedicate this thought share or this video to a topic which is related to the protest. Recently, we had the Gen Z. Wonder why we would even create this distinction or just kind of divide people in Gen Z generations or whatever. But anyways, so we had the education change happening, and now we see for a pretty long time, and I've also been sharing this, and I've protested on the street myself in peaceful ways that kindness must lead the way, and it makes no sense to pick up community dogs and pets and animals from the street just because you've got an event happening or some ministers are coming in and stuff. And many of us have also shared this, that there are so many people who are lying around on the street, the slum dwellers, and there's so much of I mean, there is a certain section of people not so great. Okay, so the poor section on the street and stuff, the beggars, the children and stuff. Why not even remove them? So when you see these kind of things, you feel emotions. So today I felt really sad and sorry, and I felt bad for the animals and for the caretakers, because animals have a connection and they're connected to their places where they live in, and there are people who put in their time and energy and efforts to feed them or vaccinate them or take them to the doctor or look after them and stuff, and then suddenly you wake up one day and you go into the street and you find the animal is missing. So it's also equal harassment or not respecting or being cold towards the sentiments of the masses and stuff and people and all that. Okay, so there's a certain section of people who'll also feel angry, and I'd also been a part of this entrepreneurship for forums and global level talks where we were deliberating and talking about how good are the news and the standard of the news and stuff. And I'd shared this many a times on various forums, including at PhD and SOCHAM and the other media forums.